Welcome, here I've got Honor 7S and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to use them to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's slide to the right to get access to the advanced camera settings, and here we have to pick the volume buttons function, so we can change it from shutter to zoom. And now let's go back to the camera and let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.